Alright, time to have a little bit of fun. So the wind is blowing really hard out here, and so you might hear it every once in a while. Last time I played around a little bit with the Blackbeard Firestarter, I used this right here. I just wanted to see how long it would take to burn down. That took 6 minutes. This is just one strand, and these are made up of, I think, about 12 in here. So this time I'm going to light this one and see how it goes. I'm going to use the Blackbeard Tesla Firestarter with this one and start that out and just let that burn while I make some coffee in my top lit updraft stove and see how all that goes. So let's go ahead and get started doing all of that. I'm going to head and move this. This is the Tesla Lighter. Let's go ahead and get this started. I hope I am in the picture. I think so. Alright. Alright, we are lit. You know what? I don't even have my phone out. Let me go ahead and start that. Alright. There you go. I started it. I am going to add it here. Of course, this is my... You see that? Well, and the wind's not... Well, that's good. Alright. See that going on? Go ahead and get this started here. Okay, so this stove, it all nestles inside. You got the stove in the pot, the Oahu stove. And this is going to go this way. This is if you want to use alcohol, but I don't ever use that. And there you go. Drop that in there. Okay, so you can see that all the way down in there. What we're going to do is we're going to drop big pieces down to the bottom. Now I found some really dry sticks. I actually should have these probably broken up a little bit smaller. I think these are going to burn down really quick. So this is a gasifier stove. I don't know if you can see the jets around here. I'm not doing a very good job of this. And looking at the Blackbeard, my fire starter there, it looks like it's going a lot faster than before, but it's not all burning through. Alright, so I'm going to get a little bit of Blackbeard. Let me go ahead and cut this. Alright. And boy, I didn't do a very good job of keeping it all together either. Maybe I should do that, right? You think about when you need to make a fire really quickly and you don't want to sit there and mess around. Man, I'm not just paying attention. All the things not to do. Alright, so we're at 4 minutes and 15 seconds here. There's still a lot of fire starter there. I mean, it's burning really good there. Just going to put this off to the side. You notice with the stove, I just used sticks that I had around the yard. So what happens is it catches from the top and it burns down, and it'll start gasifying, so you'll have a very clean burn. Right now there's a lot of smoke, but once it catches, it'll start burning down. Now, when I get a little bit of this cleared enough, I'll go ahead and drop this on. This goes to the top and allows the pot to sit on the top there. Alright, you can really see the jets going really good now. You can see the flames coming around the sides. For fun, I made just a coffee filter with some floss. I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there. And I am going to cover up Okay, so the fire starter is still going, and I don't know if you can see that, 820, 830, still going. So it's not efficient to burn that big piece of rope. To me, it's more efficient to burn just the smaller piece. And of course, your fire starter will last a lot longer. Still going at 856. Now, I'm having fun just with that made coffee filter individual, but more than likely I would carry just one of these. These are the coffee singles, and I would just use one of these if I was going camping. I want to show you, because this fire is really going strong. You can see that, and I don't know if you can see the wood. It's nice and dark, but the fire is all the way down to the bottom. I don't know if you can see that really well there. Alright, so the big rope has kind of fizzled out. It's 9:43. So I don't know. Can we say 10 minutes maybe? Because I didn't have my stopwatch ready. I should know better. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop this. And I would probably say that fire is a little too high. I would have let it probably burn down just a little bit before I did this. This is starting to get hot. You can see that I'm already boiling there. Probably just going to let it steep now. You can see I have a lot of fire. And I don't know if you can tell, it's coming out the sides. I'm going to move, I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit. And of course, in a situation like this, you know, I'm in my backyard, you can see that it's coming out on that mulch there. So I'm going to have to deal with that here. Catching on the mulch. And so the reason I'm doing it on the mulch is because the rest of my yard is a pool, and I don't want to do it on the deck. All right, here we go. And I could have done it on, I guess, on the cinder block as well. I'm gonna go ahead and just focus down on that. You see how that's burning down there. And I could have waited until the fire got to about that point, so it wouldn't have been so hot and heavy on the pot. But those are some really serious coals down there.